This is a piece of 150mm Rigidrain. It's made from recycled high-density polyethylene. If the polyethylene is significantly contaminated with polypropylene, it will cause us a product failure. It will become brittle and can potentially collapse in service. For polypipe, it would mean the loss of reputation, which is very important, but it would also mean that we could be liable for the costs of having the product excavated and reinstalled, which would be very, very expensive.
Plastics all look the same. They're typically black or white granules, and it's very hard to really say what they are. There's very little equipment available for actually telling you that. The IdentiPol is an instrument that enables you to run a very simple test, gives you a result that tells you what type of plastic it is, and it will tell you whether the material you've just tested is the same as what you've used before. The testing is very easy with the IdentiPol. You take one of the special sample holders and you take 1 granule of material which is placed on the holder. That's then automatically moulded in the instrument according to the test conditions. It's then transferred across to the testing side, and then the analysis commences, and after that's heated up and cooled down, the analysis result is automatically produced.
The IdentiPol machine is very easy to use. Goods inwards inspectors can use it. If the material doesn't score the level that we're looking for, it allows us to actually look at the charts that the IdentiPol produces and identify what the problem is with the material. And with that knowledge, we can either say, yes, we'll use it, or no, we'll reject it. In most cases, if the IdentiPol highlights it as a problem, we won't use it. And that can save us a huge amount of time on the machines, because if we do put the wrong material through, it causes all sorts of problems, a lot of scrap, a lot of time lost.
I think it's a real step forward for the plastics industry. Before the IdentiPol appeared, there was no simple way of checking what plastic you had without the use of fairly complex laboratory instrumentation. Now we have a device which is specifically designed for the plastics industry that can give them a lot of information about the plastic material they're using.